Introducing the skyVac ATEX A37G vacuum system. A single-phase, explosion-proof industrial vacuum, ideal for Zone 22 locations. The brushless motor and high filtration system makes this vacuum ideal for the removal of fine dust particles. The 37-litre capacity polypropylene drum sits on a robust trolley with locking casters. This vacuum is packed with power at 1100 watts and 3600 litres per minute airflow, perfect for environments where airborne combustible dust is challenging to reach. Reaching heights of up to 12 metres with the included safety locking, anti-static, high access suction poles. Included as standard is the skyVac ATEX A37G vacuum system, your choice of safety locking poles, 2 safety locking tool holders, 2 safety locking system tool holders, a safety locking system hose cuff connector, a hose, a range of end tools, a pole carrier bag, and an accessory bag. Please note your poles may arrive separately. The skyVac ATEX A37G vacuum system can also be combined with our ATEX telescopic vacuum pole, which have a collapsed height of just 9.3 metres, making them easy to store and transport.